Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the PUBG mobile gameplay review in this OnePlus 11R device after recent update. So recently friends, the OnePlus 11R did receive the performance stability update and system stability update as well in this device, and right now I'm going to use this high performance mode while doing this 90 fps test in this PUBG mobile. So right now the PUBG mobile I can play at 90 fps, so without using any GFX tool, no config file, nothing I am trying to use at this time. And right now as you can see friends, clearly 90 fps has been enabled in this PUBG mobile right now, as you can see friends, exactly. And with using PUBG mobile we'll try to see about the overall FPS drop test, what's going on in this device. So right now as you can see friends, I'm getting 90 fps at this moment, and we'll try to see the quick drop test at this time in this OnePlus 11R device. So this is a quick drop test of 90 fps in this OnePlus 11R device in the boot camp. So right now out of 90 fps I'm getting about 89 fps it's maintaining at this moment, and we'll try to see how lowest the value can go regarding the overall fps count. So drop it to 85, 84 is the lowest value. So far we did see 84 fps, and this after the recent update I'm trying to do the fps drop test in this OnePlus 11R device. 84 is the lowest value I have seen in this OnePlus 11R. So right now as you can see I'm trying to do the second time of FPS drop test in this OnePlus 11R device. So right now with the 90 fps, and this after the recent update I'm trying to do this testing in this device, and now you can see the lowest fps, how much it's maintaining at this moment. And right now the lowest value we did see about 87 fps is the lowest value so far in this smartphone. As you can see, 86, not bad. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and these are quick details about the FPS drop test after recent update in the OnePlus 11R device. Until instead of more updates, and signing off, and bye.